Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Occult Cat TV. I'm your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Atanu. So let's get into the point of the video. Ritual attunement with Lucifer. Accessing the daemon, as well as becoming the daemon. So why did I title the video this? So for myself, I actually just got out of a consultation with a client, and this is my first paid consultation in a while. I stopped doing consultations just because my time got filled up. I was just doing other things, and finally I decided to re-release my consultation services. As well, I've taken a lot of time. I've dove into my studies, my practice, my meditations to attune myself. And in that, I feel that I have finished my initiations enough to where I can give consultations, to where I can attune people. And as I met with this client, he wanted to, in a sense, work with Lucifer. He wanted to work with Lucifer to become his daemon, to become his greatest version. And he was someone that had not really worked with Lucifer or these spirits. And that in the consultation, so let me break down in a sense what I do in my consultations. What I do is I invoke Lucifer, I commune with him. If you are attuned in any way with your psychic abilities, you as well tune into him. I'm able to presence his energy, his dimension, so in those moments you can commune with him like I'm an emissary of him. So, or in a sense, I am a Lucifer. So in those moments, I can help you to commune with Lucifer and those energies because I'm attuned to that current. I'm a practitioner of that, of those energies, of that source. And by me being attuned, by me working with those energies, I got to a certain point in my evolutionary growth where I can as well help others and attune them to the qliphoth, attune them to the tree of the night side. And in the same way, if you're already in the qliphoth, I can actually go to the sphere that you're at. I can astral project, go to the sphere that you're at, and help you through your initiations to move further. So this is why you would book a consultation with me. This is why you'd book a reading with me. If you'd like to better understand where you are at in the qliphoth and how you can venture further, because sometimes we don't always know, and it's good to have a guide, a psychopomp, right? And just as the spirits are our guides, we can also have emissaries of these spirits help guide us among these realms. So this meeting with this client actually really reignited my passion to doing consultation work and working with clients. He was an amazing client to work with. It was very simple, very easy, because it was just me being the messenger. I wasn't forcing, I wasn't trying to create a message. I was being receptive to what Lucifer was trying to tell my client. And that's what I do with my services. That's what I do with who I am. As a shaman for hire, as a witch for hire, Lucifer connects me to these people. They might be my client. I might be benefiting through money, a tool, right? But in that interaction, I'm giving them a I'm giving them wisdom, something that cannot be encapsulated into a value, into a number for money, right? That's why I don't even know what to price my services at. They will go up over time, but at the moment I think that $68 is appropriate. So for either a consultation for an hour is $68, but as well, a shamanic journey is $68. And in this, I can help you to manifest and create the reality that you desire, because all we're doing is uncovering your reality. All we are doing is uncovering your reality so that you can allow who you are to come out. So, in the same way, Lucifer is a spirit, right? So you can hire me to help you connect to Lucifer if this is what you need, if this is what you desire. But in the same way, so now getting into the main point of the video, Lucifer is a spirit that can help you connect to your daemon, because what he will do is initiate you into the qliphoth. As he initiates you, he will guide you to where you are meant to be, like along your path working, along your journey. As he guides you, you will get to a certain point in your initiatory journey where you start to awaken your daemon through attuning yourself to the night side, the tree of death, the qliphoth. And as you attune yourself, as I've said this before, you are tuning yourself to an electric current, in a sense. Each sphere, each shell is a current. And once you've finished that path working of that sphere, right, you've shattered it. Once you've shattered it, you're reclaiming that essence, because it is you. Everything in the universe is you. And as you invoke it, you are bringing it within you. So by shattering it, you dissolve it, destroying its influence over you. You now create the influence, right? Because you're attuning the circuitry. And that as you attune the circuitry, say you get halfway through the tree, you've awakened your daemon. Through the Sephiroth, you've become an angelic king, raising yourself up, right? That is half of your daemon, you could say. That is the day aspect. That is the Sephiroth, the masculine. And then at some point we go into the qliphoth, the feminine, the feminine dark divine, the yin energy, whereas the Sephiroth is the yang. We go into the yin energy, and that as we gain the dark aspects of ourself, the dark feminine, right? We're shattering the qliphoth as we destroy that sphere. This is what you could say, I remember in the anime Digimon, right? Whenever they destroyed a boss, they could code it. This was the original frontier, right? They could code it into their digivice, right? And then they took the DNA. They took the data of what that was. So when we destroy something in the universe or in this multiverse, right? Just as the Doctor Strange movie, Multiverse of Madness, as we destroy this substance, alchemically, we gain the transmutation of it. So when we shatter that sphere, what this allows us to do is gain that aspect of our soul back. This is why we're trying to pathwork the whole qliphoth, so that we destroy it, we consume the qliphoth. As it consumes us, we consume it afterwards. And then it gives us back all aspects of ourself, so that we can become our greatest version, so that we become our daemon, so that we awaken our daemon. And Lucifer is the initiatory spirit, is the guiding spirit along the way the whole time. The emperor of hell, the lord of hell. For as he descended into the darkness, became Satan, right? The ruler and emperor of hell, he who was once a bright and most intelligent angel that chose to become God, became God of the infernal realms, his own realm of being. And then from doing this, he created his own dimension. So that as we work with Lucifer, we become Lucifer through invocation over repeated invocation over and over again. We become Lucifer in order to command hell, in order to command the demons, so that we can make our way through hell, embracing our source, becoming the person that we're meant to become along our journey. So now, instead of all of these energies working against us, the qliphoth fighting us, we attune ourselves to the night side and the night side current and become vampiric, so that we are consuming everything that would otherwise destroy us, which would harm us, injure us, or hurt us in any way, such as when we get to the tunnels of Set. This is when beings that have immense illness, that have immense death, if we are not vampiric in nature, if we are not attuned to this, these energies can seep into us, death essence, and kill us or harm us and harm our energy, seeping into us, harming us. So what we do as a vampire is transmute and consume the death essence that would otherwise harm us, hurt us. And from consuming that death essence, we become stronger. We consume those energies that would kill us, taking on their power, their strength, and their growth, just like a video game, and then we continue to grow in levels. So the whole point to becoming Lucifer is so that we can program the qliphoth for our benefit, for our use, so that we can make it through hell, collect all aspects of our soul, and become our daemon, attuning us to who we're meant to be, and then with that awakening our life, the path we're meant to walk, and our destiny. So with that, guys, that was ritual attunement with Lucifer, becoming the daemon, accessing the daemon, because you unlock the daemon, you awaken the daemon through the work that you do. Do the work, put in the work, do the meditations, do the rituals, and continue to progress along your initiatory journey. Become who you're meant to become, guys. So with that, as I was talking about earlier, my services, I will be putting I'll be putting right up here a review that a client I just met with actually gave me. He had amazing results right on the spot, where I was as I was talking about in the beginning of the video. I invoked Lucifer, communed with him. He was I don't know if he was having problems or had tried, but he wanted someone that was a professional to help him commune with Lucifer. I was I went in, did my job, was able to help him commune with Lucifer, King Paimon, and Iblis. Now he's on his journey. He fully knows what he needs to do. And that's beautiful. That's great, and that's what I'm here for. He said he liked that I was humble, or that he saw the passion that I have for wanting to teach this and just get this message out and help people. So in any way, if you'd like to hire me for a consultation work, conscious coaching in demon magic, walking your path, helping you to understand where you're at, I can help you in any way, wherever you're at, whatever sphere. If you haven't even started yet, I can give you tips that you can take into the qliphoth that you can take before your initiatory journey. So I just want to pretty much say that with that, guys. Yeah, so hire me for a consultation if you'd like. I can help you in so many ways, and I can put you on the path to becoming your greatest version and help you to manifest the life you desire. But if not, my consultation service, I do recommend you meet with someone who you consider a professional if you are just getting into this or just trying to understand, as you would any craft, right? If you're trying to learn music, you would talk to a DJ that's already professioned or a veteran of their craft. You talk to them, get advice, you quantum leap. And this is what I did for my client and what I'm able to do for my clients. So yeah, here again, here's a few reviews that clients have left. Recommend you for my services, conscious coaching, as well as shamanic journeying and soul retrieval. I don't do it for you. I just teach you how to do it. We do it together. I teach you how to do it, and then you take whatever you learn from that with you. And then all it takes is, $68 an hour. Just 3 easy installments of $22.95. No, I'm joking. But a lot of wisdom to gain from my services, and as well, I'm releasing my Patreon. That's coming soon. So with that, guys, this is Occult Cat TV. I am your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Atanu. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Peace and namaste. This what's up. This what's up, guys. Stay blessed. Infernal blessings. As well, welcome to the tribe, new subscribers. I saw a few new subscribers. We almost at 200. Once we get to 200, I'm dropping some gems, some knowledge and wisdom. This is just the beginning, guys. So a lot of wisdom in here. I was gonna make this a Patreon video, but instead I pushed my services in the beginning, gave you the wisdom. So with that, peace. I'm out.